Hello, my name is BOLAJI Oluwadunsin. I am the creative designer at DunsinCraft Collection. DunsinCraft Collection is a sustainable Afrocentric accessory brand that produces waterproof Ankara bags and accessories that are waterproofed and sun shielded and can last for a lifetime. So I am here at African Fashion Week, Nigeria, and we are here to show and launch a new collection, AFROBLING collection. AfroChic, iconic, elegant, and creative from the city of Ibadan, a city filled with cultural heritage. DunsinCraft Collection brings together innovation with style to create exquisite, sophisticated designs for men and women, including handbags, drawstring bags, laptop bags, headbands, earrings, crossbody bags, you name it. So join us as we go on this show. Come, Jim.
Presenting next is DunsinCraft Collection. The brand DunsinCraft is AfroChic, iconic, elegant, and creative. Please make welcome AFROBLING by DunsinCraft Collection.
Love to bring everyone on the journey to exploring the world of Afrocentric accessories fashion. Much detail was given to the feel of the bags and jewelries, especially when it's something that has never been done before. Waterproof feature and sparkly effect that just draws everyone's attention makes this collection absolutely unique. AFROBLING is my very first real collection, and it was made for the bold African woman who wants to make a statement of I'm here, I'm me, and I own this moment. Making Ankara bags since 2018 and discovering the solution to keeping Ankara bags clean and waterproof is a all new adventure for me personally. Bringing science, the waterproof feature, and fashion, the African fabrics together to create style that expresses individuality is the future of Afrocentric accessory industry in Nigeria. And since I'm already doing this, I feel like I must have jumped 2 decades into the future. fabrics used are very rich in color and culture and and we're really fun to work with from the start of the project to the finishing. I mean, it was absolutely fun, really. Mix of the African fabrics and glitters just gave this collection magic. One of the challenges I faced was being patient to wait for 3 years to test how long the waterproof feature lasts. And yeah, I had to keep this beautiful idea and first few samples a secret for 3 years. Oh my gosh, so I'm so excited.
Bangles, handbags, and more. All the way from Ibadan. DunsinCraft Collection. A round of applause. AFROBLING by DunsinCraft Collection.
I think the Afro woman will love luxury and we really appreciate the artistry and the work involved in handcrafted accessories would come to me to dress up, you know, to look good. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. See you.